Okay. Yep, we are going to be starting to do the presentation. First, I need to say my name for the sake of recording the video. My name is Major, and today I'm going to be your trainer. I'm going to be training you a topic on the units of competency. Basically, what it is a unit pick from the development course. That unit is about taking images using digital camera. Before I get into what we are going to be learning today, I will need to go into safety issues, including emergency and emergency plan, first aid, and other safety requirements. First, I need to talk to you about the where we are. We are in a room, a simulated work environment. Basically, the emergency and the exit. I'm going to be showing you now. There is an exit from there, as well as another exit from here. If there's any emergency that is going to come. So these are the things that you need to know. And talking about the topic that we are going to be talking about, we are going to be talking about taking pictures. The topic of today is isolating, taking pictures and isolating the background of the image. The thing that we are going to be taking pictures with, and we are going to be using this model as our subject to practice taking pictures. And we have the camera here. We are going to be using the camera to take pictures using different techniques. We are going to be taking landscape images using the mobile phone, and we are going to take pictures of a portrait using the mobile phone. After that, we are going to switch to a camera. We are going to repeat the same processes with the camera, and we have to compare the differences. And we are going to be learning two different ways of taking landscape photography using a camera and using a mobile phone. The way our program is going to be outlined in the program, I will show you how to take pictures using mobile phone in portrait mode as well as landscape mode. After that, you will learn about taking pictures in portrait mode as well as landscape. After I have shown you how to do all of this, I'll get you to practice them, and then I'll ask you a question, or if you need more questions, you want to ask more questions, I'll get you to ask the questions, and then I'll get you to do the small assessment to show that you understand what we are teaching today. Is that clear? Yeah. Okay. So I'll go into camera safety or safety related to taking pictures and photography. So basically, as you can see, the camera is standing on a tripod. With tripod, we are tripping hazard. It is not done properly. So in this time, we have to get a little bit further when we don't need it. But when we need it, we'll bring it closer and we'll be using it to take the pictures. So we just need to watch out about the tripping hazard, so we don't trip from the camera to fall down. When there are cables, we have to make sure that the cables are not on the floor, so to avoid tripping from them. What we could do to eliminate tripping cables, we have to isolate the cable too far away from where we are doing the training, or we get a stick that chain them to the floor. That way, we are safe from the tripping hazards. Then question with that? Okay. So the first thing that I'm going to be teaching you, I'm going to be using a mobile phone. So first, I'll show you how to turn on the mobile phone. So this is the mobile phone. So what we will do, we will select a camera from the mobile phone. You select the camera. So the camera has been selected. So now it's on. The way we know the camera is selected is if we point it anywhere, we will be able to see the thing through the camera. So the next thing we do, we are going to be taking a picture of this model. At first, using a portrait mode to isolate the background. If you could see me do it, I'm going to take a picture. Can you see it? Yeah. Okay. Using the camera, take a picture. Have you seen it? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So the picture now is taken using, so you select portrait mode and you take a picture with it. Then we have to see the picture that we have taken. So the next one, we are going to be taking a landscape using the mobile phone. I will explain what the landscape is. If you could see the camera, the screen of the mobile phone is actually giving you it's wider on this part. If you turn it that way, it's a little bit narrow. That is the difference with landscape and portrait mode. So landscape giving you wider angle, so you can see a lot of objects at once. Portrait gives you a more narrow view of what you're taking. So now we have learned that we are going to get out of the portrait mode by going back to normal camera. Now we will take portrait 1, 2, landscape. Okay, let's get out of here. So there's a landscape portrait. You want to take landscape, you go back to portrait. We take. See it? So, and now let's see the picture. You see the picture? So if you are viewing from the middle of the landscape now, there's a lot of black spaces. A lot of black spaces there. Meaning that the picture is just sitting in the middle of the mobile phone, which means that those it's a portrait mode. The picture is sitting in the middle of the mobile phone. It is a portrait. But if the picture cover the entire screen of your mobile phone, that way you know that that is a landscape. Landscape covers everything, the whole of your mobile phone screen. Landscape put the picture in a vertical way. So the aim of this training is, by the time you complete this training, you will be able to use mobile phone to take pictures using different techniques like portrait, landscape, and to be able to take nice pictures with it as well. So let's take, I'll show you again for landscape. And let's see the picture of the landscape. Yeah. Now landscape mode. Go back to the previous picture. Is there any question between the two?
No.
Okay. So now I'm going to get you to practice this before we move on and practice this on mobile phone. So the first thing you're going to do is to find the camera and select portrait mode. Take the picture. Is that a portrait or portrait?
Yeah. Portrait.
Portrait. Yep, on the screen. Let's see the picture. Okay, that's good. Now let's try again one more time with the portrait, so you get the feeling of it. Yeah. Okay, that's really good. Now we turn the camera around, take a landscape mode. Take a picture. All right. I'll give you to do one more time so you get a more feeling of it. Yeah. That's really good. So basically, we have used mobile phone to take vertical, a landscape with portrait mode. Is there any question about that? No. Okay. So the next one, we are going to be switching to the camera, which is going to be a little bit harder than the mobile phone. The reason I'm teaching you the two different ways of using camera and mobile phone, they work differently. So when you're using your mobile phone, it's something that you put in your pocket. And it is crucial that you learn this when you go to an event. You will be able to use mobile phone to take pictures of what is going on. If you would like to put more people in the picture, you put landscape. If you want less people in the frame of the picture, you will switch to portrait mode. Are you ready to learn? Okay. So if you can come around, then so if we come around, move on this side, so the camera is on. So the first thing we are going to be doing, the way the camera is, like this, is the way the camera is set up on the tripod, is basically on a landscape mode. So we are going to start learning it with landscape. Then after that, I will show you how to check portrait mode with the camera. The first thing that I'm going to be showing you is how to turn on the camera. So this is come closer. Have a look. So this button you can click there to turn it on and off. You go there. See the way you know that it's on. See the numbers. So now we are going to get our model there. So now it's on. You have to press the button and remove the cap. So make sure this is a focus group. Can you see it, the picture in the frame? No. Yeah. Now we can see our model. See, now it is on a landscape mode. Take the picture. You have to use the button. Press. Take the picture. And you have to see it by looking at this. Use this button to see the picture. So this is the picture we have taken. Alright. Before we move to the next one, I'll get you to practice with this one. Turn on the camera. Then you take the portrait mode. Turn on the camera. You know? Yep. Can you see the model? Press the button. Yep. Now take the picture by pressing that button. Use this one to view the picture. That's good. When you do one more time, turn off. Turn on the camera by clicking it. Bring the camera closer. Now take the picture. I think the rig. That's really good. So, turn off. That's nice. Now we're going to be teaching. I'll teach you how to take a portrait mode. And then I'll get you to do it. So we're going to unlock. Take it off. Just like how we take pictures with when we come to the camera to see the cameras. We are all in the camera. Yes. Yep. Move it over here. Like I will take the use go bathroom. It's looking very good. Take lens portrait. This camera is going to be a little bit different. We are going to be turn on, do this. So with the camera, we are going to be taking by tilting the camera. This landscape portrait will tilt the camera this way. I'm going to take the picture. So I'm going to take the picture. See how just use our mobile phone now. See? Now I'll get you to do it. So turn it off. So do your hand like that. So yeah, use your arm, yes. And you. Okay, that's good. All right. I'll do one more time. You angle the camera. Really. Take it. Right. The angle. Press the button. Set the button. Angle your the button. Just have a look. Okay, that's good. Then out. So, to summarize, we have used mobile phone to take so we use mobile phone. Explain. Just what we have just learned now. We learn how to take mobile phone to take the pictures of the model using landscape by keeping the camera straight. We also learn how to take the pictures of this model, the landscape, using mobile phone by tilting the camera that way, by tilting the mobile phone in a landscape. That's portrait, that's landscape. We also learn how to use the camera, the digital camera, to take pictures using landscape by keeping the camera straight and using portrait mode by using our hands and also tilting the camera that we take a picture of a portrait. Is there any questions that you would like to ask?
No questions.
So yeah, if you do not have any question, I'll give you a small assessment. See what I have teach you. You have learned what I have teach you. All the skills that I was teaching you, it's something that you have picked up. Again, we are going to be putting this model on this small desk, and it's going to be used as a practicing or for you to take an assignment, small assessment to show that you have to understand what I'm teaching you. So the first thing that I'm going to be asking you to do is I'll get you to find the camera on the mobile phone. Start off by taking a picture of this model using a portrait mode. After that, then see the picture. After that, you use the mobile phone to take landscape pictures by angling the mobile phone. Take the picture of the model. Again, after you have taken the picture, check the picture if you actually take the picture. After you completed that, the next assessment is to demonstrate that you understand what I was teaching you by turning on the camera, using a landscape mode to take the picture using the camera. Then after that, we see the picture on the screen by pressing that button to see if you have taken the picture using a landscape mode. Then you tilt the camera in the angle to take landscape mode. And then you see the picture. Are you clear with that one?
Yeah.
You have a question? Alright. The first thing that I'm going to do is to grab the camera, take a picture using the mobile phone with all the instructions that tell me.
Yeah.
So start off. I will take away the camera. Yeah. So get you to. So what have you selected? Portrait mode. Yeah. Take the picture.
That's one done.
Yes. We'll take another one. We need to practice.
No.
Okay.
Now we just go back to
Next one, do a landscape by, yeah, good.
Landscape.
Landscape, nice.
Another feather. Landscape.
Okay, that's really good. So the next task is to move on to the camera. Turn off, turn it on, take the landscape mode, take the landscape. The focus is right. Is that clear?
Clear up.
Yes.
Portrait. Check feather. It's good.
Look. Yes. Nice. Yeah, that. Now we're going to take
Another
uh,
landscape.
landscape.
Portrait mode.
Yeah, portrait mode. That's really good. Check.
Feather. Looks good. Kicks out.
That's really nice. All right. So, is there any question?
Pretty easy.
Oh, okay. So, to summarize, we have just learned that was really good. You managed to take the picture using portrait mode and using landscape as well on both the mobile phone and the camera, which you have really done. You told that you remember what I told you, and you have done very well. So so basically, you would be able to use this skill now that we are teaching to take pictures in the when you're going out for an event. You would be able to watch it. So with the skill that you've learned now, when you go out, come here. So with the skill that you've learned now, you'll be able to use this skill. Just say like you go for a wedding, and you want to get more people into it, you will be able to use this skill that you've learned now to take the pictures. Wedding using one or very yeah. So the next, with the skill that you have learned now, you'll be able to go out and use mobile phone to take very good pictures, which is portrait, and use landscape. And given that you have learned the reason why we will check landscape portrait, will be a really nice skill to have, because you get more people by using portrait. By using portrait, you get less people. By using landscape, you get more people into it, which you have learned through mobile phone and the camera, which you have done a good job today in learning. So you will be able to learn more information about cameras and taking pictures by going online. So you're reading more things about camera, and go to social media like YouTube to be able to see the pictures or other information relating to taking pictures on landscape and portrait mode. So this is what what I would encourage you to go and learn. Otherwise, if there's no other question, no. All right. I think our training is concluded, and thank you for showing up to this information, to this session. So, and you have learned a lot of skills there. Thank you for being patient.
No worries.
Okay. Right.